have party in the North Otago North Otago Vintage Car Club have a party maybe today. There are many vintage cars coming. Ah, a party. Variety of vintage car is coming there now. See, that's North Otago Vintage Car Club. Yeah. See, mga vintage na, more vintage car. Volkswagen before. I heard that one when I was young. A Volkswagen is 19, I think 1970 plus, I think 1970 plus, yeah. Vintage there. See? May party dyan sa vintage house. Kainan sila. Yan. Malamig sa labas. Yan ang mga vintage. May party. May dalang aso yung babae. Ayan, maganda. Vintage house. Vintage car pala yan. Ang saya-saya nila. May kainan sila dyan. Hindi masyado makita. Malayo kasi ako eh. Ayan o. Ang lamig sa labas. Ang ginaw. It's so cold here. Daming vintage. Yan. Bang.